Kennedy, and I'm going to be doing a series of short videos explaining critical technology topics. Today, to get us started, one of the most important technology topics for those of us stuck at home during the coronavirus is how to make a good cup of coffee. So today I'm going to use some of the best technology I can put my hands on to give you a good Melbourne cup of coffee experience. I'll be starting off with some first-class beans from Industry, a well-known coffee roastery here in Melbourne. We have quite a few of those, and it's a good idea to have a separate grinder. You need a good quality grinder, get your beans nice and fresh, and grind them up to the appropriate fineness. You can figure out where you've got the grains correctly ground based on how long it takes to pull the shot. So let's have a go at that. So I've got this set up to do a 15-second grind. This is based on lots and lots of experiments, and this is going to give me a double shot. Okay, so we've got some coffee. Make sure it doesn't overflow too much. Tamp it not too hard. Should be a bit of firm pressure there. And off we go. Got to need to warm your cup up too. Let's throw a bit of hot water in first. Alright, I've got the cup warmed up. Time to go on the shot. If you've got everything right, this will take about 25 to 30 seconds. So we'll just wait for the coffee to start coming out. So it comes out as a nice slow stream to begin with, very, very dark. And when it starts to go pale, then we'll know that we've got about the right amount. And you should be able to see a very nice layer of creamer right on top of that. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's steam some milk. So the thing with steaming milk is you want to get it hot but not boiling. So you can see I'm sort of cupping it with my hand here so I can feel the temperature as it starts to warm up. I normally start with the nozzle pretty close to the surface so that I get some aeration in, creating a bit of froth. And then as I feel it start to warm up, I'm going to dip the nozzle deeper into the milk so that it's keeping it hot or getting it properly heated up without boiling, and creating that nice, very fine microfoam. I go by feel, but you probably want it to be about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere around 70-ish degrees Celsius. Now we're ready to go on the part that I'm really not very good at, which is making the latte art. So I pour it in pretty carefully to try to keep the creamer on top initially, and then do a little bit of swirling around. And yeah, that's pretty much my average latte art. So the flavour is going to be delicious. Perfect.